My name is Xiaojun Zhang. I go by Jun Zhang, both at work and at home. Uh, I am a neuroimmunologist at OSU Department of Neurology. At the same time, I'm a neuro-ophthalmologist at OSU Department of Ophthalmology. Nice to meet you all. I believe the eternal goal of being a physician is to not only provide the best patient care to the patients, also to address their needs and concerns related to their medical conditions. To reach this goal, I believe the best way is to work as a team with patient and family. I went to two medical schools in China. The first one is a 5-year program with a bachelor degree in medicine. And the second one, Peking Union Medical College, is also a 5-year program which included a 3-year neurology residency training. After graduated with MD and a PhD degree, I went to work at Beijing Tongren Hospital. 10 years later, I had a great opportunity to have neuro-ophthalmology fellowship training at Emory. Then after the fellowship training, I went back to Beijing Tongren Hospital, became the chair of the Department of Neurology. I used to see over 3,000 outpatients a year, also oversaw over 2,000 inpatient a year. So then in 2014, we decided to move to the United States and to start my second career. So I had my neurology residency training for 4 years at University of Illinois. And during the residency training, I was seeking for more training for neuroimmunology fellowship. So that is what led me to OSU. So I finished my neuroimmunology fellowship training and stayed on faculty working both at Department of Neurology and Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Science. I was born in Shanxi, China, in a small town with over 400,000 population. This small town is 6 hours away from Beijing. So I lived in Beijing for over 20 years before we moved to the United States. I met my husband at Emory when I was doing my neuro-ophthalmology fellowship when he was working at CDC. What keeps me in medical field is the gratifications I get from being able to help patients and family. Plus, I really enjoy challenges. The more challenging the situation is, the more motivated I get. That is the reason I choose neuro-ophthalmology as my specialty. My in-laws are from Pittsburgh, so they are Steeler fans. They have been trying to quote unquote brainwash me, but I try not to let them. I have been enjoying reading and traveling in my whole life, but after I moved to the United States, I eventually developed two hobbies. One is to do puzzle, another one is biking.